Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Hagasngi balang jong katayo ka Nongkharai Presbyterian High Secondary School, kabadon hapo ka shnong umso piang jong ka Motion Road Civil Subdivision, klayo ban Plie ba ya ka yeng building ka Thymmai yak bala baby sa lingba ka NEC funding, hakba Myntri Rangbah adu ka Sarkar Jylla ukanrat ke sangma ulalong kumukongsan. Hakani skin alor ukongsan dan langru Myntri ka tanat Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department uba Methodius Dekhar ubadiru hakajuk kapor MLA ka Motion Road constituency u RG Momin MLA ka Rangbah Jarngam uba Australia Rashir MDC ka Motion Road uba Garrett LSN Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills District u Bikram D Marak Superintendent of Police ka West Khasi Hills uba C Androla Lingdo Principal ka Skul kiru Rangbah ka than kino hikai ki khna Skul bat ki kmi ki pa habapin pawe ka jinga linti jong de ka Skul ki bor penya jong de ka Skul ki lopin kan mau bayang de ka Skul lasdang bat seng ha usnam sijak nai spa handu fundriu bat ki lopin kan mau ru badai ha usnam sijak nai spa phra ka Skul kala yo jingirap ningkong bante ya ka building na uliet PA sangma ubadai ru Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla bat kum joru kum Myntri ka tanat puliputhi ha ki snam u Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla u konrat sangma habakran kum kongsan ulaong bah ki shisnam shiteng ki balalet ka Jylla Meghalaya kala ya ya ka linti ka bajrong bha bat hakini ki jinga linti shibun ki jinge ba ki jingdanjo henry ngilai kran shai bah bangi shimi kanu karai ni ki sinjam ngide ban bo shwa yu upat ba ka Jylla hakmat do ulaong ru ba shibun ki aka ki ba ka sarkar kala ban le kham tam ha be de ba ki kam pinroi la kalong ban pinyo ni pin bhai ki surok ban pin bhai ka tanat ka kot ka khya nalor ki be henry kamut pat balakut henry dangdon shibun ki ba ha ban le balban pendap khnang ban nang kentiu shushu ya ka Jylla hakbe de bagati ka Skul kumba ukpa jong u let PA sangma uladal minta banno senyang u Myntri Rangbah ukanrat sangma ulakularu ba ne beteng ban penyo shushu ki la chingarap nak benta ka Skul ya ka ba un sa shong banekran ba de penbet baru MLA ka than u badiru Myntri sarkar.
To celebrate and to be part of this wonderful program that we are having today. I thank the managing committee for having invited me and giving me this opportunity to visit your area, to be able to meet with you, to be able to watch the wonderful programs, and most importantly, to be part of this inaugural program where we are inaugurating this new building for the school today. Friends, in the last 7.5 years, I always tell my colleagues that I believe that God has given us this opportunity to serve the people of our state. And that we should do everything in our capacity to be able to provide the help and the service that the people of this state deserve and the people expect. And so in the last 7.5 years, the state of Meghalaya has been through a very, very long journey. Journey has been difficult, not very easy. Many challenges have come in front of us. But we were very clear that whatever decision we take, we must always keep the people of our state in front. And whatever is good for our people, we should do. The different investments that we have made, if you look at the road sector, The highest investment ever made in the road sector in the history of our state has happened in the last 7.5 years. If you look at the investment that is made in the healthcare sector, the highest investment made has been in the last 7.5 years. The speed at which we are moving forward has been the highest in the last 7.5 years. You will be happy to know that Meghalaya is the second fastest growing economy in the country today. Only Tamil Nadu is in front of us. Meghalaya is number 2. And this is not my numbers. This is Government of India's numbers. Meghalaya also is the only state in the country that has grown at an average of 10% every year for the last 3 years. Because some states grow at 10%, then they go down to 3%, 6%, 5%. But Meghalaya has grown consistently last 3 years at 10%. And for those who understand a bit of economics, when I say 10%, this is at constant prices. That means we minus inflation. So if you add inflation to it, we'll be about 14-15%. But minusing inflation, we're at about 10%, which is the actual way to calculate the constant price GSDP of a state. But my point is that state is today growing like never before. And though the investments made in every area are important for us, the greatest investment that we make is in the human resource. There is no bigger investment than investing in our students. There is no bigger investment than investing in our entrepreneurs. There is no bigger investment than investing in our farmers. There is no more important investment than investing in our women. And our MDA government has given priority to human development. And that is the greatest investment that we have made. And the returns that we will get for this investment also will be the highest. Friends, today, Meghalaya spends 3,654 crores. 3,654 crores out of 30,000 crores we spend on education alone. On education alone, 3,654 crores. Out of this 3,654 crores, on salaries alone, for the teachers, we spend close to 2,000 crores. Out of which grant in aid, and when I say grant in aid, I mean deficit and ad hoc pattern, we spend 917 crores every year for salaries of teachers. As Chief Minister had sanctioned 75,000 rupees in his time, and today I am here to once again to inaugurate this building. It's a real moment of happiness for me, and really a moment which I will always cherish, because there is nothing like following your leaders' footsteps and being able to continue what they had started. It gives a different satisfaction in your heart and in your mind to be able to take that journey forward of what your leader has done, and you will be proud to say, look back and say, yes, what you had started, we are continuing today. So it gives a different satisfaction. I am extremely happy. I must congratulate the managing committee for the excellent work that you've been doing and the education that you're providing to the students out here. I have seen your proposal of the fencing for girls hostel and for boys hostel. I will definitely examine this. I will be sitting with the Honorable Minister. We will work out on how we can start. Maybe all cannot start in one go, but definitely we will start with at least one of these projects at the earliest. So I would request our Honorable Minister, who is obviously the local MLA, that we will sit down together and work on this. I assure you, to our President, that I would want to continue this great work started by our great leaders, and therefore I will ensure that we are able to succeed in this. I was just going to the washroom when our young girl had come from Sijun Memorial School, and she was speaking, so she must be thinking, and the teachers must be thinking that, oh, right when she was speaking, Chief Minister left, and he must not have heard. But thanks to the loudspeaker and thanks to a loud voice, that I was listening to everything she was saying while I was walking. So I was, of course, very impressed with, number one, the confidence with which she spoke. And being able to speak out on a stage like this at a young age, I don't think I can imagine myself doing that when I was a small kid. So I must congratulate her, and I want to assure her as well as her school that definitely I will be supporting and helping them. She told me that the building, or she was speaking to all of us, that the building is in a very bad condition. As you all know, that when it comes to schools, our government is very clear that we support all kind of infrastructure projects. It may not be everything in one go, but we always keep education as our priority. So even in small ways, big ways, whenever there is a chance for us to support schools, we do it. And so let me assure the students and the faculty and the parents in the managing committee of Sijon Memorial School that please submit your application, and I'll be happy to support you for the construction or for the repair of the building. So I'll just wait for the applications, and I'll request local MLA to kindly get the applications to me. So with these few words, I once again would like to thank our local MLA. It is on his insistence that I am here today. He was very particular that I should come, and he did not leave my room till I said yes, by the way. So he kept pushing me and said, you have to come, you have to come. And then I, of course, was very happy because this is an area which I don't get often a chance to visit. And therefore, it's great to come here and meet the people. Also, I would like to share this. This is something that I always do because I love doing this. And I believe that it's a great thing. So the students of Sijon Memorial School, as well as Nongkharai Presbyterian Higher Secondary School, I would like to just also share that I would like to contribute from my Chief Minister's special grant funds so that you can buy music instruments. So I want you to buy music instruments. Please submit a small proposal to me. I would love to give music instruments. I would like to see that children would get busy with music and perform the music on their own. It's again something that is very, very important. I don't know how many of you know this, but I'm sorry I'm boring you with all this lecture of mine. But we are very, very keen to start, or rather we've started a program called Early Childhood Development. I think you know, we are the only state in the country that is doing this Early Childhood Development program, where we focus on children between the age of 1 and 8, because that's when their brain develops the most.